Karibu nando murigiro Getembe Television tukuria lero tariki 25 mutinyo 8 umwaka 2025 ase Getembe TV tukuria lero ase tuchokoragania samangana maya atuna tugosomete koriko sogochakera abonjori abakabake kurwa ase chiri ya mbiri nigo banyoro babu ebintu bya byanya bigosamba somolero matukabere aetire banyoro togokonyo kurwa ase obisio magumende tukorigoro
ase asara y'umuriro asa bonchereria gwetania 50 ase chiro ya daraja mbili emiye kaunti ya Kisii wikendi yaeta ase nibe nyinge ya saligwa kubairira kwirina magega ase bonchereria mapema lero abonchereria bwo nigo banyoro gosirwa ase nchira bene kura service y'omwimendere bwe kaunti ya Kisii umusikedonya Dori Saburi asogosirwo kwega nigo babwatukirwa chindagira au nebinto byokorarira kubakonya wechakia na indobo ya Happiness Wairere no manager we BCU
kwa niaba ya ofisi litangani tukoiraniria serikali enene mbiamano na serikali yaito asoko konya abantu ebinte biga byachire gaiga chimatres inchire maiga yane gaiga ndagira nerororo kokonya abantu abaiga banyoreto omochando bayire tu onde bwensi oramano kugani gokonya chi family chiga etokobagani na barabo basoyo koboko mufuko obo abakonye gotiga kurigereri kiregento barakora kibara abakonya
okwana chinga kicho nigo borokia okogokigwa kwabo nogosemeria gokoimokerera igoro nainde aso bonchiriria
mbia mono donya mbia mono sumsada wakolire bya munasi byonse gwakorera bari bonse batosirire kurumaega tiganya saba sini ande ganda gutwara moyo oju egera abantu banenche banyora sibakorara nenche ngento no kurwana sinyomba chiane naba bamenyete bone banyora umusada
next time tomonyorete no tomete record abana gwakomonu mbara tokonya kende twarore mungino tokonyire chuma chito nchiajete spana anyanye kunyora makanika na kiregento n'abanda babana barengo abari kwende school mambi ebintu tawo byayete certificate kiregento ndebe bwade yanga anyare gotoinyora na gukwana national government banyare goto musada tunyare konyore ebintu bitokonya abana banyare kwende school ne school ya igoiru none chibesa abantu babwadi cyagerte nyomba kiregento kyayete kene kyo kero montaje rotororo ne yanga yoke yabigete mubere
itwayire tukiregento ntubwati kende gyonsi no kuragera ni shida aso kurara ni shida abana barensiko mbabugati kende abayiburi bakorera bana banya kuri kende abande barayirige sona abande baratese chikanisa abarayi bande bonsisi bale nabaro bayigwibirire ebi banyala kotokonya
nkuripotere Getaseni kya Getembe kurega se kaunti ya Kisii letrene ngoro kwa Daniel untiri
kuro ase kaunti ya Nyamira buna enseme moko enekeri usoko Sukuru chibo bundi nechisema chibo bundi serikali ya kaunti Nyamira kugetero mugavana Nyamira Amos Nyaribo bana baine keringa bachigosira sukuru chibo bundi erinde konyora abarokiwo sabagari b'isukuru chikonyora uchumi ndonge na magendra se kaunti ya Nyamira
bunenjire yemo yoko gendra gusigeta chiseminane nechiria chisukuru chitivet kuregame ya kaunti ya Nyamira mugavana we kaunti ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo abawatani bande bechiseme kurase kaunti iga niko bagendrete amo negikaro ekyo gekuba hasigeta abateneri b'ekisukuru cy'TVET abalimu nabo igomo n'ababwatani bandi bunenchire ya majugo kine birengo by'ikiseme kurase county ya Nyamira
chinyenge chikozi cha miezi 3 mpaka miezi 9 bakonye abantu gutwara skills chicho okorega cia maoko yakoreshe tukia kogingira kokora plumbing nebinde igona bitwarenga
gago kwa namona abaliki bamangana mayomo gavano yego Amos Nyaribo nigatebwe bunekene getambukire serikali ya county Nyamira bwate eli kunyara kabaga kwa nekibunango tilira abana eli bagendelea samatukago chabunenchira yemo yokwegendelera barabuka banyene yendukirere ukine nonya no uchumi
ende natoja kwanza wiki ego ja digital learning iga Nyamira eri ntangani nechianse next week into atangasa abantu ba apply ndome kimoso wa technical institutions chitware course iyo yogosomia abana baito bari basomire lakini batabwati gasi nabo gosomiwa ng'aki ogo access chigasi ya mumbu ekia mumbu chigasi ne chinyinge chinse chinde okonyoa abanto bagotire mbatagete bakora emeremo igo basomiwa ntwe babeke kire sub county ase ogwansera arabo omoerio kire ward etwara aba ase togosomeria abana abo ekiara mbaba ekiara karo bagosoma n'omusigo ase omoibori orure fees n'omusigo ase omwana otabwati besa akona ne sabuni igo na intune elose ase economy sa abantu baraido
okwanekere kiboigo omugavana nigatebire nigabwateganga yokwene kibunango bekara balimu abaikero nase chiskuru chika chechi TVET eri banyarako bako basomia abana bwekero nakoba ojuzi ibira bakonya samatukagocha asarurige kurege tindi ochiase baria baratoke bagokore cheche asimirimo
na inspectors nabo bako ba inducted bamanye ng'aki bagotena abantu ba ICD yara ntwarigete yomo gotena chiwadi bere initially nende ntomende kiro omonto abe igwadi yomo nomokonyi oye erinde abarimu bamanyekana mbuya bagosomia abana baito korwa oboroso bwa nasari na bari bagotinda gocha esukuru tomanye mbarabi na brabo tobabeke ka permanent banakotinda
omweri oye nigababwatani bande begisemi bairo koboko engane yiga asibego batebire buna batukunyarako bakubwatese serikali ya county elio kwegenderere buna enchire yemo yogokina ebirengo byegisemi nanene byechi TVET nonyene chiskuru chiria cha ECD kuri gasorgo rwe county ya Nyamira.
Mambo mengi ya elimu huwa tunasaidiana na county ili kuhakikisha kwamba watoto wetu kama Nyamira sisi wote tunahakikisha kwamba watoto wetu wanapata the best education that you can offer as government.
And as Teacher Service Commission, we have a mandate to train and build capacity of those who are teaching. It has been done well. They have the capacity, and if we network, we'll deliver as a country.
Eginko ripoti tasini kia ubanjete kia Getembe kuriga imeye county ya Nyamira inchi gongoro kwa Polycarp okara
na aba MC kurase county Nyamira beso kiria se kiriba tebanga mpaka okiri no mpangirio osino mubango boko chipara se county Nyamira ase ward isabchokesha nyiko ase chipare cha chaketo motinyu kabiru mumakoyo wetera ase county emerongevere chabende kurase ase chipare cho
Emetieni ne tano nomo ya erire gesa chipara chiangete kuremwa na serikali ye kaunti ya Nyamira kurende wikirarero iga nigo chipara chechiwodi isato choka cha roisi we wikiranu echo chire nyamaya bomwagamo na boigo kya banyoru engana ya retire obwoba ase aba MC bande banyamira abwo ebiragita ebyo bitaraika ase chiwodi cyabo nagoteba umoroberio oyo oise kogenderera nabono ore nigo chiwodi chinde chitachie koroisiwa.
It will take about 20 months to do the whole county. We don't need to do that. We need some interventions. We put our heads together to see how we can urgently deal with the road network. In other words, that feel that it will take a long time to have their turn.
Sababu siku zetu zimeyoyoma na kuna wale viongozi ambao wanatamani tena kwenda kuuliza kiti pale nyumbani. Hakuna siku watasimama kuongea kwa wananchi sababu watapokewa matusi ama watafukuzwa. Kuna waheshimiwa wenzangu wakienda hata matanga kuongea kwa matanga wanapokonywa microphone sababu hakuna maendeleo pale nyumbani.
Kubwatekana nengane yiga nigomokonyi womonogere webunge ye county ya Nyamira omoske James Matinga amuburire omugavana o Nyamira Amos Nyaribo wiyatanana no gwanchiriria gwenseme yemo anene chingaki amagenderero hakubagwa Nyamira
emiti nyemerongevere eyenga muna 2 years so nindi kaibira gitebigo ika ase chiwodi kirjinda so tugateba ngase budget ye twabekire chibesa egere chiewe chi contractor chichake konya gokora ase chiwodi kirjinde cha kurumate patirendo kumiko itongoringa nturarora omugavana kagoshugurika una tuigwana denga bune budget ye gochaka koba bloated diga tanga chi contractor chabekirwe tanga procurement plan ya chakire egana intu bali kurumate bira gite bitara ikorro tonyore chipara chia chakiri kila kia bantu bagotuburi so tugosaba omogabano ito atige gotwara enchereri ogopagwa
Ukwana ritiko ria rero ching'aki aba MCA ba Nyamira bairanirira ebikaro bie bunge eyo maiga yokobasa omotimoko nigo boigo omosike mating'a hatogia egetambokero kia omoseneta o Nyamira Erick omogeni ase okorwanirira okomento bwa echibesa chia magenderero Nyamira na komogania omogabana aesoke boigo na goteba buna chibesa echiga chirache gokora amagenderero
na bono naturwanirira mpaka akamenta chibesa chinyinge chire 1.3 billion chibesa chekare chiacha igo chiaso ase keganja gie county to expectinga muna chibesa chiamentire negasi nero nechegendere gokora nengia igo nakitwara kubulio mugabana nga orochonyo mosenete rogotema kuruguru omenta chibesa gocha ase county yaito so your excellency intunto bwati bitina ntwegento tutagete chibesa bune ichegera abana inji batangase buna chiachire naye tene no tangase ng'aye chibesa nchiachete one gasi chigo chikokora neye chibesa nchigo kwanu ng'achakire Nyamira nde chiakira igo
Kingo reporter Getembe korwa igasa magacha manene ye bunge ye county ya Nyamira aya gutuka township West Mugirango Nchefatikad Kisemba
Avarai navana sasa au kurasora kongoro agusini bagenda kureberengere byaba amatuka amakemaiga yomo gachio manne bwekia makyo DM Timothy Bosire komera na nebyombe au asomochi okericho na ko kwanera ringana lyo obomo gusi
babwatani abaigana nao bakomoko boko mugachiwe kya makirikia ODM musike Timothy Bosire kubwatikana mune kerengereri kya kyugo nikoleta bagusi amo nigo bagende ko bagwa ketege chingwana chabere chikubwato kwa munega tiabarai bande abo bataliko okoboko ekerengeri kyo musike Timothy Bosire ase bahatebiringa omobumbo gusi nigo bora konye egesa kwigega kwegendereria
umuroberio rio renge kericho na rengo in person muntu tayo oramete gosaga kora ebintu kiange mamincha buna bagoteba ngo muntu chire kuira abantu mamincha ne kerengeri kyo mugusi buna torengerere tibono igo tuachieta amo buna bagusi toteba ninganga kitoko baamo tubulirie ebintu bitamo buna bagusi.
Tunawaomba nyinyi pia mkuje, sisi hatukatai, tuketi na nyinyi pamoja, tutembee pamoja kama jamii ya Umugusi. Wajumbe, maseneta, magavana wetu, viongozi wa wazee, viongozi wa wamama, sisi sote tutembee pamoja kama jamii ya Umugusi. Sitakuwa sawa?
Bagukwana boigamo nabalikia mangana majanigo bagendere ko bakubenga. Na nene chinkwane chiga chiringete goseberekania na bego gwatana na egasa gukyo Mugusi. Inyerikana buna amatuko nigagendete kweringa bosi bobochorio bonene bori bosio
njendete koboria bagusi ba minto ngengaki yaikire bono mwara ng'ainirwa amatuko amange mogwesiarera paka nonyekera tokorigie gende tokotebu ng'anto toisaini enare ko babori ng'a twensi bibuna tuikaransa twarobeirio moroberio tutete kogenda ngoikera turekera omonto tosoa asamo tukwane buno Mugusi na ndonde tabang'aina ebintu ebi kona kominyoka social media abantu bari babwente gutwara amasikani bakobeka abantu batarakora mutigana amang'ana abo ekiara noe noburabe bwa gusindo che babusikire nande Nairobi are gokwanera acha Gusi atotebi ng'ana kyo yo akwanete bogekana amang'ana ari ago
asensemo yende kati abasaya boigo abo bakwa ekerengereri kyokoboko igo batiri bunenga kinigo yaikire gesa gukyo Mugusi kabonete gocha amo ase nabo baire kerengereri kigokoboko igento batiri bunenga gesa gukyo Mugusi na kero kinigo kebonete kunyara koba kwenyorere getalie kenena ase serikali ase bagende ko bakoba mochi abaraya baiga kyandage 10
twachire gali tukolia lero kugikiria mang'ana abere social media mang'ana abaraya baito babwate azinyomba gochiogoralie mang'ana wako kwana ase mikutano kuno musike Timothy Bosire igabwate ekerenga yokubaga no Mugusi
wana abaraya abandi mukoreta siasa igekoro king'aine chinde chino mutagete mubeka Bagusi amwe ndumweka musiko minto finise dike musimo kantu wanchete ayira ngora mubwate no musike Timothy Bosire mubeka Bagusi baitamo elinde totaramo muna Bagusi
bana ba minteke usingere yote abanga wale gukibuya matie boesaliri na kitu achakire gokora elie karato kuri elinjira tobwante kogenda buno Mugusi tonguseramo totebania seri ogi elimo na nto chaka kuruta magena na igo narorira barabara ibande bagosoase chinyombo cy'oburari kuruta magena ekerengeri kyo musike Timothy Bosire igo togendete kwaga chaminto gose togendete gutagura igo togendete gutagura manyanga tokunyara musimo tokunyara kogendera guoka mono ekero okorime yogo mino ekerengereria Timothy aletire igotware ogesira tokebwatesi tokamente chinguru tomanya nga tariero kwengusera okogani gwa Timothy tari kenda kumusa uchia nsemo yaye iga ategereire birero by'abagusi byomugusi asabeta na endo sokirera arabu otebire nga yaya ene ngana tobwente kobeka emitwamo tonguseramo totebereranie togende nchireyemo na into tosikwe uno mugusi
iginko ripoti rigetaseni kya uwanjite kya Getembe inchego nkuru kwa Polycarp Okara
Egusara yobo tenu inse yobora ibwa adendore nigo bone atakiro omorobere obwekerero gochigotuka ubosiko chikomanyanga kipesa cyasha nakitiko tumeka sinigitari chinyinge chia ense ya Kenya. Mwaziri akatebanga chinyigitari wetani 700 nigo chia nyore chigotukiwa asoko ene kinga kipesa chitumika so amaga wetera maganio yeserikali.
Claims worth 10.6 billion have been rejected due to fraudulent activities and non-compliance. This action is taken under the authority of Section 48(5) of the Social Health Insurance Act 2023, which outlines penalties for providers who knowingly or fraudulently alter information to defraud the authority. The primary function of our digital system is to detect fraud. We have seen that facilities are looking for innovative ways to cheat the system, but our digital architecture is designed to detect and flag anomalies at every stage of the claim process. Hence, you will find the fraud can be detected and stopped at any point. The process of degazetting a further 45 facilities who have been flagged for fraudulent activities and investigations shall be commencing very soon. So before Friday, another 45 facilities will be degazetted. We will not rest until every Kenyan has access to quality.
Umoriki botamba ase ewizara yetsemi Julius Bitoke otabirenga eserikali yose Ministry of Education ntigo chenji omupango bukubara abanafunzi z'isukuru eriko nekinga abanafunzi abaronge mbasikunya kibazo cy'isukuru nigo Moriki monat botamba tangasire nga isukuru kunya kibazo cyabo ochakara ewikiye.
Already engaged the National Treasury, and we are expecting that before the end of the week, money for capitation will have been sent to our schools. We had a meeting last week with the officials from National Treasury, led by the Minister himself and the PS, and we agreed that the top priority for the government of Kenya this week is to release capitation to our 45,000 schools around the country. We're also working on upgrading NEMIS to KEMIS, and it is work in progress so that we are able to capture real time the number of students per school and also be able to adequately send capitation based on the accurate numbers of students in our schools. Out of the 3 pathways, STEM, Arts and Social Sciences, and Sports, we are saying we are encouraging 60% of our learners to go STEM way. And the government is investing heavily, including the construction of 1,600 labs around the country so that all students who choose STEM at least have
Umurai wense omoske William Ruto niga amwarika nigo cha Kenya omotenene bweki ombeki akakani the INS Prince Laim Ali Hussein ase omotio Nairobi ase bakore tege karana kwa kumera na kuchikogikiria amangana yobo kurumia sense ya Kenya.
Through the work of the Arcan Development Network, whether in health, education, culture, economic development, or the environment, our aim has always been to improve the quality of life for all, regardless of background or faith. We are proud that our programs and institutions serve millions of Kenyans from all walks of life across the spectrum of human endeavour. In Kenya, we have found a government and a society that have consistently welcomed these efforts and supported them with vision and resolve. The memoranda of understanding we are signing today build upon this rich legacy of engagement. They reflect the depth of the relationship between the Ismaili Imamate and the Republic of Kenya, and they signal a shared ambition to make that relationship even more impactful. Our goal is to work alongside the government as we tackle the emerging challenges of climate change, urban regeneration, and delivery of public services.
Its health facilities receive over 900,000 patient visits every year, providing quality care to families across the nation. With 3 major hospitals and more than 70 health centers, the Aga Khan Development Network has built a healthcare presence that reaches deep into communities, offering maternal and child health services that save countless lives. Beyond treatment, its commitment to higher education and training is equipping our doctors, nurses, and specialists with world-class skills and strengthening Kenya's healthcare workforce. Additionally, I am pleased to note the recent collaboration between the Social Health Authority and the Aga Khan University Hospital to expand access to life-saving kidney transplants and advanced cardiac surgeries. Under this framework, SHA provides financial and welfare support to eligible patients, while the university hospital delivers specialized medical care. This ensures that vulnerable Kenyans receive not only surgery, but also pre-operative assessment and post-operative care, while being shielded from catastrophic health expenses. In addition, the Aga Khan Foundation has supported nearly 1,000 public schools, benefiting hundreds of thousands of pupils and teachers. Initiatives like Schools 2030, which Kenya co-hosted this year, reaffirm our shared commitment to innovation and excellence.
Omurugiro Getembe ntokoransa mentangani ya Etwani ya Getembe ndio nasomoro video kabere chinsa ibere igoro na omoganitu Agrey Angwenyi.
Asegeka k'emyaka 49 ebenki ya Wakenya pamoja sako yabere n'omugusi negukinya omugusi ase eningo yae yaberege kurwa obukorere ase chinsemo buno savings loans obosemi bwo gutumika chibesam na diaspora savings ase bali chinse chimaiko ase wa Kenya pamoja sako yabere ogosira okonene ase abaremi ebyumbe chiskuro chikompane ao abarikire abaritayire gose bali ensemo ya pension boyko abonchereria Ipotani na Wakenya pamoja sako iliyonyore obukoreri ubuya ase chinse muna obosemigoro y'ubutumiki bw'ikibesa loan muna development loans, school fees loans, emergency loans, ebyumbe, business loans, salaried loans, na boigochi advance loans. Boigon korantura muri kibesa ase uri kose mobile payments. Kabe oyomo Wakenya pamoja sako iliyobwego kerie ayo onsi na yande amange amaya asamange patarechi abisichabo chire asumu chubusongo kahawa house raja moja asipara ya Kisii sotik siba kiresi miasi namba 0746-668-190 kuse ototare website yetu www.kenyapamojasako.com.
Njama lieta ngoro kwa Isako Mwenga CEO wa Kenya Pamoja Sako. Sako ya Wakenya Pamoja ni sako ya kushughulikira members baye na chigurupu chiria chigokora savings wonko bakira bia soko chora Wakenya Pamoja Sako kuna financial institution yao tobwate branch chito ikomena chire within Gusii wanaintu toro konyo mugusi soko gendereria ese ebiasara byabo ase sako na gosegwa ase sake ese mabibatara join please njubwango mo join tukini esako yeito na Gusii yeito esa magendo Wakenya Pamoja you our concern.
Azan Mega Wholesalers asentundende nande nigo yirenire buya nande biyemono asentundiye nigo egokonelia ebintu aserigori erianse kegema asetauniga ya Busongo koni bare ebintu asensemo ya electronics electricals chibirika chibasi chiestima chiufa TV tabletop cookers microwave dispenser blender radio chichararani blow dry socket cable bulb bulb holder heater nebinde ebinge phone accessories na charger USB cables earphones wireless ports nechiseme asensemo ya household nkoni bari chisane thermos ebikombe ebirogo chibesin nebinde ebinge asensemelia cosmetics koni bari body lotion spray air food makeup kits sabuni nebinde ebinge koni bari soda nechi juice asensemo elia yadware koni bari power saw generator piano nechi amplifier mixer public address systems nyange solar panel naboigo asensemeli ya stationery koni bari geometrical set irangi jebikoroto chikram calculator rubber nechi toy semoyende nkoni bari tissue papers chisavet chidapa sanitary towels nechi toothpaste karutari kwiba toothbrush boigo nkoni bari fridge agirira unyare kwigurira ebintu biga aserigoririanse Hazan Wholesalers nigo egokora free delivery osinige okoratira ebintu gurite asosao wika asure asorgongo rwonsi rwa Nyanza nige gotoka ase enyumba ya Getembe building ange na smart lady I guess roundabout ya Busongo asa mange kwana no director o Hazan Wholesalers ase ogo kairigori na mabori ande amange oratware sin number 0722 237187.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide irikubotoka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biria bikomanya seka ngokwanira chirangi ekyo boigo chire chichi brand ao ekyo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na boigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekarigori iri abantabati boigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wekabunuraganye gwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eri bwenyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo Busongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Hazina Siri Event Services ne company ya Chirenkuma asogo kwa obokoreri ase chinse mobuna corporate events chi roadshow chinyange amatanga chi anniversary na yenda mangamna wono photography videography live stream ne coverage na yende amange kurubare obokoreri ase chi tent ebirogo decoration lighting chi carpet na sound batarere ase ekoroba ya Ouru Towers somo chobosungu angena AM Taylor samange ba kresimia sinamba 0721-217817 Hazina Siri Events. This is a surety. Kisii Impact Institute of Science and Technology bakorereria Intech ya September asibakora chikos mnabono ICT Mass Communication na Journalism Hairdressing na Beauty Perioperative Theatre Technology Music Production Computer Packages ne chinde chinyinge asamange bakire isimyasi namba 0705 773 142 0784-663-693 Nubagotoka ase omuchubusungu Twin Towers aserirungo Elia gatano na gatato Incho alirira bwere kibono
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills yuko ya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom ya Etwani go engale yuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate team ya Tembo abo bago kolemirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebereria kende gensi uraganie bago tebereria company ya mabati Rolling Mills iko babwate amabati chingencho au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges au unabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asbigo babwate Dumrang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati aliaye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chena Roman Jinko